Spicy, sweet, and delicious. This ginger chai is totally worth trying because it's infused with fresh ginger root, which adds in so much flavor and also has lots of benefits to our body. Grab yourself some ginger and let's make this delicious ginger chai recipe. The ingredients are so basic that you'll want to try out this recipe. So moving to your stove top, you're going to place a saucepan of a medium flame. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of water. As your water is coming to a boil, you're going to peel ginger, and I have mine over here which I've peeled and washed. And using a hand grater, you're going to grate in your ginger into the water. This is going to take around 30 seconds. And grating the ginger into the water is going to make our tea very flavorful because the ginger is going to infuse with the water. This tea is a great way to relieve a sore throat or a cold because ginger has lots of vitamin C. So you're going to let the ginger infuse with the water for around a minute. Then you're going to be adding in loose tea leaves. If you don't have the loose tea leaves, you can use a tea bag and add into your water. After adding in your tea leaves, you're going to let this come to a boil for around 30 seconds. Then you're going to add in your sugar. Add in your milk, and the ratio of milk to water is 2:1. So the tea is going to turn out very creamy. At this point, you're going to need a sieve, and I have mine over here, or a strainer. You're going to stir in the chai, reduce the flames to low, and then you're going to let the chai simmer for another 1 minute so that all the flavors can infuse together, making up some delicious chai. When your chai is ready, you're going to put out the flames and transfer to your teapot. You can also transfer to a vacuum flask. Then I'm going to cover my teapot, ready to serve my chai because I'm having this in the next 5 minutes. I can't wait. In your vacuum flask, the chai is going to remain hot, while in the teapot, it's going to remain warm as you sip into your chai. So I'm going to serve myself a cup of this delicious ginger chai. Clean up my working surface a little bit. A little bit messy, but it's totally worth it. So the next step is to sip my chai. Wow, so good. I'm going to have a second sip. So good. Totally worth it. The ginger and the tea leaves are well infused into the chai, and it's sweet just how I like it. So this makes the recipe my favorite because it's so good. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try. Stay warm and sip a cup of ginger chai.